What's going on YouTube? Back with another 1-minute tutorial. This time we took to Instagram. We asked you guys what would you like to see. 80% of you voted for the clone. Bro, what are you doing? You said clone, right? Yeah. We're not. Don't worry about it. I'll be quiet. Just do your thing. Anyway, like I was saying, we took to Instagram. 80% of you guys voted for the cloning effect. So that's what I'll be showing you guys what we do today in the Adobe Premiere. And if you guys want to cast your vote for the next video, then simply subscribe or follow our Instagram. Okay, I can't do this. Start the video.
There's many ways to do this, but because this is a 1-minute tutorial, we're going to do it the quickest and easiest way. Set your camera up on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, use a table. Any flat surfaces will do. Then simply shoot your first scene on one side of the frame. Be careful not to pass the middle, and you'll see in just a second. After that, simply shoot the second. Now we can jump into Premiere Pro, and you're going to literally stack one clip on top of the other. Then we're going to search for the crop effect and drag it over to the top clip. Then we're simply going to line it up so that both characters are showing on the scene. Feather it so you don't see that harsh line in the middle. And then you're all done.